Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete AliExpress account. So let's get started. So if you want to delete your AliExpress account, then what you can do is just simply open up your Alibaba.com application. After opening it, just simply complete this ad and then tap on your profile icon, which is my album, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the top right corner, then tap on the gear icon, which is on the top right corner. And after tapping on that, now you'll find this option, which is delete account. Just simply tap on delete account and then delete your account. So now you just have to tap on delete account. And after tapping on delete account, you just have to wait until this page loads. So it's not available right now, but it might be available in your device. What you can do is just simply enter your account's password, and after entering account's password, you just have to tap on submit, and that will delete your account. So that's it guys, this is how to delete AliExpress account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.